Good day, everyone. My name is Cynthia Ibuenga from SAC 15 Bicol. Today, the indigenous people that I will going to introduce to all of you, are the Mangyan people. Who are the Mangyan people? Mangyan people are the original inhabitant of Mindoro, the seventh largest island in the Philippines. They're not just the single group. They are made up of 8 distinct subgroups. They are Iraya, Alangan, Tadjawan, Taubuid, Buhid, Hanuno, Ratagnon, and Bangon. Each has its own language, custom, and territory, but they share a common identity and history. They live most in the mountain and remote areas of Occidental Mindoro and Oriental Mindoro. For centuries, they have chosen to stay in their tradition alive, even as the world around them change. Their history and unique cultural traits. What makes them truly unique? Number one is their traditional script. The Hanuno and Buhid Mangyan have their own pre-colonial syllabic writing system, one of the few surviving ancient script in the Philippines similar to Baybayin. They carve their character onto bamboo tube and slab, weaving and clothing. They are famous for intricate weaving. Women wear ramit, women's skirt, and men wear bahag, leon cloth, often dyed with natural indigo and red. Beds and shell accessories are also part of their identity. Bamboo craft. They're skilled in making basket, container, and musical instrument from bamboo. Spirituality. They believe their nature is sacred, forest, river, and mountain were home to spirit. So they practice sustainable farming and respect for all living things. Their contribution to Philippine culture. The Mangyan have given so much to our country culture. Number one is preserving ancient heritage. Their writing system, tradition, and ways of life are living proof of our pre-colonial history, something we can learn from today. Number two is sustainable wisdom. They have framed and cared for Mindoro forest for centuries without destroying nature. This teaches us how to live in balance with environment. And number three is art and knowledge. Their weaving, bamboo craft, and oral stories are treasure of Philippine art and folklore. And number four is identity. They remind us that Filipino culture is rich and diverse, made up. What are the current issues and needs? Despite their strength, the Mangyan face serious challenge today. The loss of ancestral land, the limited basic services, discrimination, threats to culture. And what did we learn from these Mangyan people? We realized that indigenous groups are not backward. They have rich knowledge we should respect. Preserving their culture is not just a job, but the duty of all Filipino. That's all. Thank you.